Welcome back, guys. This is part, I think, 37 of working on the Ford. We, in the last video, got the fenders off the rock. Here is the passenger fender. How to weld this one bolt, but I think I can break the weld. All my hammers are out on the screen. I was using them out there. Need to go get them because that ain't working too great. That's that. Gonna have to rebuild all the wiring harnesses for these things. This one's the one that really crushed really bad. There's one of them stinking bolts that are so great to get off. That's broken, so it's like it makes life so much harder. Oh no, okay. But gotta get the job done. Here. Oh, that ain't working. Now you gotta get this light off. I don't know if that's gonna come off too easy. We are gonna put dual lights on each side, like a 46, 30 almost. Too big. Too big. It's too big. Yes, it is. It's too big. Where the heck's my little iPad go? I lost my iPad. I can find it now. Oh, it's trying now. Clicking. The damn practicing. This is good. Yeah. No. I mean, take it around. I'll put this. today on how to destroy a bolt. How about this one? This one work? No, it's too big. All big fine. It's a little something. Maybe this one. No. I'll use stinking adjustable. This one. Come on, don't fight me. It's fighting me. Okay. Broken. Yeah. Cut. When I first got this tractor running, both these lights worked. What the heck's all that about? There. Yeah, when I first got this thing running, you guys even see what the heck I was doing over there. Probably not. But yeah, when I first got this thing running, both these lights worked, but I don't know. Gonna have to guess I'll do that now. Got myself a good battery. I mean, they are rusty. I probably won't put them back on, but I'm curious to see if they work. No. So that one did burn out. I was wondering about it. Besides that, so I don't feel like welding it, so I'll probably just cut that off. All yours. it this way. Get that in. Okay, now the suspender is ready to get. Ow! Hit my face again. Wire wheeled with the death grinder. Okay, that's that. Add some. So I gotta bend that back. And then I got all that crushed that I'm gonna have to heat up, and hopefully I'm gonna use like a chain or something and pull it. They're gonna have to do some welding in here, welding where I cut that hook, and but want to thank everyone for stopping by, and another thing done on the old Ford. And yeah, so got that one fender all taken apart. Gotta do some fabrication on it, gotta heat it up, gotta do bending. Want it 100% straight before I go ahead and primer it. This has been out really bad right here. I could just get new fenders, but I mean, if I keep getting new stuff, it's not gonna be original. I mean, I get new fenders. Reliable aftermarket parts has them, I'm pretty sure, but I'm just gonna fix mine. When I put that bolt, I gotta weld that up. But maybe I find some new bolts for in here. Because I'll get some new bolts if I find the bolts. I'll go on Reliable Aftermarket Parts and go see if they have the bolts. So, which Reliable Aftermarket Parts, if you don't know, specializes in aftermarket parts for your classic tractor and new tractor, and your tractor really. You find all types of stuff. They're a good company, and I'm working with them, and yeah, so yeah, not too rusted out. Ain't the rims are actually, there's a spot on the rims that's actually rusted through, and I don't know if it's like right there. You see that? See that? Where's my finger? Right there. That's a hole rusted through the fender. So I don't know. It might be new fenders. I mean, not fenders, but rims. I mean, can't even think straight. It's been such a long day, but yeah. So leave a like, because that makes the videos get more popular, so I can help more people. So subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video. Let people know. And I will catch you guys on the next one.